Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create amino account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to head over to any store that you can create an account from or that you can download an application from. So if you're using an Android device, then that's most likely Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, that's Apple Store. So I'm just going to open Google Play Store, and from here at the top corner you see the search bar, so click on the search bar and type amino. Click on the search bar. So over here you have amino move, you have amino community manager, you have amino acid chemistry, you have amino communities and fandom. So go ahead and click on amino communities and fandom, because this is of course the icon that comes with it. So now it says uninstall and it says open. Since you're creating an account and you need to install it for the first time, instead of uninstall, you're going to find install. It's going to be install. Because I've already installed it, that's why it's uninstall. But it's going to be changed, it's going to be installed. So go ahead and click on install, then follow through with the step-by-step processes and the prompts to install the app. So after installing the application, you're going to see the open button. So open it and it's going to take you right into the sign up page. Right in the sign up page, you're going to see a couple of options that you can create your account with. You can create your account with Google, you can create it with Facebook or with email. Choose any of those options, and once you choose any of those options, just follow through the step-by-step processes to create your account. If you're using Google, click on the Google option and then just click on your Google account. After clicking on your Google account, it's going to take you to another window where you're going to be asked to add your password. So add your password, and after adding your password, you're going to be asked to add your date. So enter your age rather. So enter your age, that's your date of birth. After putting that in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage. If you're using an email, just the same process. Enter the email and enter the password that's going to be created. Then enter your age, and after entering your age, it's going to take you right into this homepage. So it's very easy that way. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.